Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Classes with me. In this video, we are going to understand about substring in SQL. Substring is used when you want to take a small part from your text. Let me first write it in the whiteboard. So substring. Today we will understand about the topic called substring. So substring is used in text or either in variable character data type, or you can say in string. ठीक है, in this only this substring function will be used. First thing first, so why substring is used? Suppose you want to extract some text data. ठीक है, it is better to say extract some text data from the data set, right? From the data set. And what kind of text data? Example I am saying, suppose this is my mail id @ email.com. ठीक है, suppose I want to extract everything after @ ठीक है, after @ only I need the domain name with, or you can say I need the domain name without the thing, right? So for that we will use substring, and we will just extract what we need and we will leave what we don't. That's it. That's the thing. It is very easy, and it is also used mostly when you want to find out some data in a faster way, right? That's the thing. So let's learn about substring syntax, right? What is the syntax of it? So substring syntax is simple. Substring, you have to write the expression. Expression means what? The column name, you have to write that. Then you have to write the start position. Then you have to write the end position. ठीक है, you have to write three things once you are using substring. ठीक है, simple as it is, nothing rocket science, very simple. And no need to worry about those who are new in my YouTube channel. And in this video, first of all, welcome each and everyone to my YouTube channel and to my video. Second thing is, like, who are new to my YouTube channel and new to my video, let me tell you one thing: whatever topic we learn in SQL or in Python or in Power BI, we learn this thing in two ways. First with the theory part, second with the practical part. And also we use this whiteboard for understanding the topic in a very easier way. ठीक है, so first thing first, let's go to the theory part. This is just an overview of what substring is, and that's the thing. So in theory part, let us understand the topic substring in a very better way. So what is substring? Substring is a SQL function which helps to extract character from a string or from a text or from a variable character data type. So a string can be a name, a email, can be a phone number, or any text column. The data type, suppose a phone number is having a data type of variable character, yeah, you can do it easily, no worries for that. So all these things, I mean all those function like substring can be easily used for the string in variable character or in text format, whatever data type it is all about. I mean whatever data you insert in that data type, it will be used in a proper way. Syntax you have seen, it is like substring, then the expression, I mean the column name, start position and the end position, or you can say the length. ठीक है, length, I mean to say, let me explain it again here. Length means what? Or the end position means what? I mean to say, suppose this is the letter, this is the text, so and the column is column A, so I will write substring. ठीक है, I will write column A start position is from 1, ठीक है, and I need the letter till here 5, means till E. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I will write 5. Doesn't matter whatever the length of the text is all about. Suppose the length of the text is 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. Doesn't matter. Actually doesn't matter. You have to write till how many, like whatever the length is, like till where you want to find the data, you have to write that. That's it. I need to find the data till fifth position. That's it. From first to fifth. Fifth. That's it. Till here only I need the data in the output. Okay? This is what I am talking about, right? So this is the actual meaning of the syntax, right? So let's okay, so that's all about the theoretical part. Now let's jump into the practical part of this topic. In this practical part, let's understand what things are there in this table. In this table we have user ID, full name, email, phone, and joining date. In this we have three rows where we have mixture of like email, phone, and joining date. And if you see something common here, that is the data type. The data type I have used here is variable character. Yes, user ID is in integer format, it is not in string format, because all over the, I mean the table you are seeing variable character the maximum times, because we will be doing the practical part in variable character data type only. That's why. So first thing first, let's find out, or let's extract the first 5 character from the text. Let's see what output do we get. First 5 character, ठीक है. First 5 character from the text, okay. Let's find that out. And how I will find it out? Simple, I will write select, and let's do one thing. Let's keep in comparison mode. That means I will write the full name here, then substring I will write full name, start position 1 and end position till 5. I need till 5, okay. As I will, let me write it first 5 character from what's the table name, users YT, okay. That's the thing. And when I execute it, see what I have find out. I have find out Rahul, Anita, and John, okay. That's the thing. Simple as it is. We have find out the first 5 character of it, and it is random. First random, I am saying. You can write 6 here, you can write 7 here. If you write here 7, let's see what we get. Like this you get the first 7 character of the column that you have given, that is full name. So character means space is also included, remember that, right? So this is a new thing which you should understand, okay. Right now let's learn something else. Let's find the phone number. Let's find the first 3 digits of the phone number. Let's go and find that out, okay. First 3 digits of phone number, okay. Let's find that out. Select phone number, substring phone number, then I will write first till third. Before that, let us see what we have in phone number, okay. As first 3 character, ठीक है. Simple I am writing from the table this, ठीक है, from the table. And when you execute it, see, oh, phone number does not exist. Okay, let us execute it. Oh, only phone is there. I have written phone number. No worries for that. Let us delete it and let's execute it. Okay, so these are the first three characters of the phone number. Why I have received the first three character from phone number? Because the phone number data type is character varying. That's why I'm saying if it is an integer, no, you won't be able to find it out. Simple as it is. Let's find out something else. So phone number done. Okay, let's start with the date. Okay, let's go with the date. Let's see what we receive from there. And what I need, I need year from date. Okay, let's see what we have in this table. Means what's the column name I want to say. Users yt executed, we have joined it. Okay, simple. You will write select join date substring join date. I need only the year. Okay, so here it is like 1 2 3 and 4. So till 4 as here from users yt. Okay, now see, we have received only the year part from the join date part. I mean from the join date column. And how easy it is, but only make sure the column should be in character varying data type, otherwise this actually won't work, let me tell you, because this substring function only works in text, or you would say in variable character data type formats. That's it. So in this video, what things have we learned? We have learned about the use of substring in phone number, when can we use it, and what is the syntax about it, what is the start position, and what is the end position. End position does not mean the end position of the full letter, it is the end position of where do you need, like end position till what number do you need. That's it. So this is all about it in substring in SQL point of view. And okay, first thing first, where can we use it? We can use it in data cleaning part, or sometimes you need a part of a text, like we want the part of a year from the join date. And that's it. Like it is used in any format like Oracle, you can say PostgreSQL, SQL, MySQL, wherever you want, you can use this substring function. No worries for that. So that's all about it. If you like my video or gain some knowledge from this video, please click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, and also click on the bell icon, because we do live stream each and every day. So whenever I will start my live stream, you can directly get the notification and join my live stream, and then and there you can ask me doubts. I will personally help you with the doubts with the help of theoretical part, practical part, and also with the use of whiteboard like we have used it today. And also share this video to someone who is learning SQL on a daily basis, or who is like brushing up their SQL knowledge on a daily basis. It would be really helpful for them. And also let me tell you, whatever topic I am discussing here in front of you, that topics are done, like means the videos are done in Hindi and English both. So whatever language you are comfortable with, you can go and watch that. Also, you know, my comment section and mail ID are open for doubt clearing. Wherever you are comfortable with, you can ask your doubts and I will be really happy to help you out. So that's all about it. Thank you and have a nice day. Let's meet tomorrow in a new video. Till then, bye bye, take care, happy coding, happy learning, and happy querying.